Hi viewers, in this video, I'm going to talk about the important topic under the IT Act, Information Technology Act. I'm going to explain you about the different types of cybercrime. You know, there is an act called Information Technology Act 2000, IT Act. As the technology has developed and it's keep growing, at the same time, the activities right in illegal way or the activities with the help of the technology has also happened right parallelly. So, what are the different types of cyber crimes are there, or which kind of activities with the help of the technology are considered as an illegal activity? Right. So, the first important cyber crime is computer as a target. So, right, many people are the users of their desktop, PC, and the mobile phone, other smart devices, etc. Now, so by sending a unwanted things, right, like a link or some kind of a virus, some kind of a right link or code to the computer, and they will destroy the computer, they will hack the computers, they will attack the computer. So this is a one kind of a cyber crime called computer as a target. So the people, those who want to create this kind of issue, they will target on the computer and they want to collapse the computer and make the computer not to work properly. Second thing is there are some people, right? They will use a computer as a weapon, especially, right? For example, best example is all this terrorism. Right? In some certain movies, also you can able to see the terrorists. The terrorists will use the right, will use the mobile phone or the what we can say any other devices, right? While you dial or while you click that particular number or press the particular number, it start right acting as a blast, right? All this thing. Right. So this is called as computer as a weapon. The third important thing is right hacking. This is one of the common thing which takes place. If we take hacking, right, any kind of damage that creates to the person's device, it can destroy their files, it can destroy their folder, it can create something like to stop the screens or whatever it is, or some kind of spam. All these things are a part of a hack. Under that hacking, there are different types out there. Web hijacking, where the people will hijack their website itself. Black hat hackers focusing on the security related things of your computer. If your computer is encrypted with the password or something, right, it can be avoided, it can be right hacked easily by using the black hat hackers. White hat hackers, right, they abuse a computer system. That means misusing the computer systems in a different way. Gray hat hackers, right, the skilled hackers. They are very smart and very skilled enough to deal with the particular device or the programs, whatever it is. Trackers they will use to access your login page or the blogs, so right, in an illegal way, unauthorized access. So these are the different types of hackings are there. The second one is cracking. This is especially right applicable to the users, right, where they will enter into your system or they will bypass your hardwares or some softwares or any kind of stored files data in an illegal way, unauthorized access. They will use any kind of a network to enter into your systems illegally. Third one of the computer cybercrime is called as Trojan attack. It is a kind of a virus program. Of course, they'll be sending some junk mail, right? Through that, they used to, right? They can able to share the link, and they'll use to access the link. Where once you click that link, it will create a virus Trojan attack program. The fourth one is security related crime. If your computer is stored with the password, right, or any kind of encryption coding, easily they can able to decode it. Right, security related crime. It can be applicable to the physical stored media or a physical network or any kind of a illegal activities. Right. And then the fifth one is a virus or worm attack. Right. Here it is talking about the virus or worm attack, which is talking about sending a a multiple kind of a mail or a link or some kind of a coding. Once you click that, it creates a worms, or it will stop your screen. It will make your screen to update certain things. This kind of a things comes under virus and worm attack. Sixth one is the network packet sniffer. So this is applicable to the right network users where they can able to bypass their network, right, with the small parts, and they'll able to connect through that. Right, that is also very common nowadays. It's a kind of illegal connections on the network connections to access it. And the seventh important cybercrime is, of course, is very common, and we everyone has faced this, called email and internet related crimes. Right. So email, under the email, we have a different category of email crimes. Other one is called email spoofing, right? And it has been generated, right? And you showing that has been generated from the other source, and originally you'll believe that you got the message or mail from the particular person. So email spoofing or email spamming, right? Through the spam section, they used to send us some kind of a junk mail, and when you click itself to show you, it is not safety, right? Unsafe thing. If you want, check and click that particular link. And sending unwanted codes or any kind of a Trojan horse virus program link, whatever it is, that is also another part of a email crime. Email bombing, right, where they'll be sending an identical email messages to a particular address, and they want to make you to abuse us repeatedly. And IP spoofing, internet protocol spoofing, it is also a person who's from the third party, right? He will be attacking the network packets by using an IP address, and they will duplicate it, or they will create a multiple thing. This is also a part of email and internet related crimes. Another one, eighth one, is DOS, denial of service attack. That means bringing a connections, right? Stopping your connections or disturbing the connections between the two servers or two machines, right? Where you can't able to access the particular things in the particular computer or particular device. So this is also very common. And usually, when we take all these IT companies, right, major companies, and all this office work will be integrated with one of the major server systems and will be distributed over through that. And once if it is affected with one or two things, right, then every systems in the office will get disturbed. That's the one thing. The ninth important cybercrime is called password attack. Password attack, right? You know, if you are making your mail or any kind of a file or a folder encrypted with the password, easily the hackers can able to interrupt your password, and they can able to find out what is your password. This is what happened in the all the social media like Facebook page, Instagram page. Even though if you are stored with your password, right, easily people can hack your social media and web page. They create like a real page as per your original one. And the next tenth one is, right, fraud on the internet. So any kind of activities takes place with the help of the internet, it comes under the forgery activity. What are those activities they will take place? One is online investment newsletters. They'll be sharing you unwanted blogs and catalogs. All this information or fake information, bogus bulletin boards, fraud informations, which makes the end users to buy it, especially online products. Right? They'll be sharing that and say that discounts of 50%, buy one get one free. By seeing those messages, we will stop clicking it and we will go through that immediately. Money will be debited or the product will not be dispatched. Email scams, that is also very common. And credit card fraud. They will be making you call towards your mobile number. They will asking you to share all these things. Credit card fraud activities, use this credit card or give your UPI ID nowadays, all these things. And for some submitting of false digital signatures. But of course, you know, there are many free online softwares are available in the website. By using those softwares, we can able to generate the documents by using original document. We can edit it and we can mention our name, right, or what are the names we want to mention, or we can add some logos. So duplications can be done. So this is also comes under publishing of the false digital signature. And then making right fraud activities with the help of the signatures. This is all the some of the Cases are given, right, as per the section 74 of IT Act 2000, you will get punishment of 2 year, or you're paid 2 lakh fine if you're involved in this, or alteration and destruction of the digital signatures, anything that they are downloading from the website or any original document they are destroying that particular signature and they are making it some other way, or making that particular file destroyed, or making that particular file corrupted. This kind of things also part of the internet on the fraud on the internet. And the other one is pornography on the net, which is very common. There are unwanted images, pictures, videos will be there by sending to other person also, or by using it regularly, or whatever it is, or going for some kind of a uh, morphing or pornographical material, using some kind of unused materials also is a part of a forgery fraud on the internet. If you're involved in this, you'll be getting a 5 years punishment with the fine of 1 lakh rupees. And if you are consequently, if you are engaged in these activities, you will get a 10 years of imprisonment with the fine of 2 lakh. So these are the some of the top cybercrime activities that takes place in the world. And of course, you have know about all these things, and there are certain things that we are realized right in our life also, right? So this is about the different types of cybercrimes as per the IT Act, right? With this, we will end this video, and we will discuss about the other important topics in the next video. Thank you.